keep my mind off of stuff, or in a way help me, um, kind of well, I mean, not kind of forget, but kind of like make it more easier for myself.
Yeah.
So, it.
There you go. Cut out there for a second.
Yeah, let me see. Wait, give me a second. 5, 10, 15. If it cuts out, it's just the internet. I'm just gonna switch it. It's gonna take a second. So let me just give this guy his change. Oh,
Hey, Rick Roster, you saying she's from Baguio?
oh, balik 20. Oh, okay, ra. Um, Rick Roster. How long you been knowing her, Rick Roster? He says, I'm excited to go there and basically start a new thing live. Hey, man, that's what's up, man. I'm happy for you, man.
That's good.
I'm happy for you, man. I have a lot of videos on my channel that you can watch when it comes to the visa and all that stuff. Doctor, I'm going out. Be back soon. The doctor's leaving us. Okay, doctor. Have fun.
Doctor's funny.
So whenever you met whenever you met Chinky, when like how did you meet Chinky? I don't
Oh,
remember you told us that.
we just met by accident online. And it's weird because like I didn't normally like go online to run into anybody. It was this one day
Mm.
that I went and checked my email and she sent me a message and I'm like, oh okay, well why not? I'll try. See.
You
It's,
got mail.
yeah, it just worked out. She's cool, and it's like before. I used to live here for over 12 years before, so I'm
Yeah.
pretty familiar with the culture and the way things really are here. And so it helped with getting to know her from that aspect because uh, I don't know, I don't know, we just clicked really well, and I've had my past experience, and she was cool, so I'm happy I ran into her. It's worked out
That's
pretty well.
good.
She's cool.
And is she don't have kids, huh? From
She has a daughter. That's
Oh, she has a daughter.
yeah, my stepdaughter. She's 16.
Oh, is that the girl you had on the video the other
Yeah,
day?
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
That's
Lindsay.
nice. That's cool.
Yeah,
Do you have kids from other marriages or not?
yeah. They're all adults now.
Oh, okay. But they're back in the States, huh?
Yeah. Well, one of them is here. She's in Leyte. She's going to school. She's going to college, and so
Wow, she's in college already?
she's doing some biochemical type thing. I don't even know what the
Oh,
name
yeah,
is.
yeah.
I always forget the name, but she got a scholarship. Man, she's kicking ass, man. She looks like my mom. My daughter here, man, she's like a twin of my mama. She is
She's like the
100%
son of your
her.
mom.
Ah, man, she's like my mom's doppelganger. My mom passed away in 2015, so she always reminds me of my mom when I see her.
Really?
Yeah, but she's a good girl. She's doing good.
All right. Let me wait. Give me a second. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a highlight. That way we can